Okay, so what we got is a Volvo XC90 2023. It is now installed with the front and back G-on 4K Ultra HD dashcam. So that's the rear one there. You also got the front one installed here. See, it sits very nicely against the windscreen.
User access disabled.
It's all connected to your phone, so you can view it whenever you want. You can see the front cam there. You can see the rear camera there as well. You can also see all the recorded videos right from your phone, and you can also download it directly to your phone as well.